of I'm a Dairy-Free Girl. Today we are making vegan gluten-free cornbread. I like to get my ingredients out, so here are your ingredients. Butter, flaxseed, honey, baking soda, apple cider vinegar, salt, milk, cornmeal, gluten-free flour, baking powder, and if you want, you can add corn. Let's get started. First, heat your oven to 375, then spray a baking pan. Let's make the dough. First, we gotta start with our dry ingredients. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of flaxseed. Mix together, then set aside. Now, get another bowl to mix our wet ingredients. Add half a cup of butter and make sure it's melted. Next, add 1 cup of dairy-free milk. Third a cup of honey or maple syrup or whatever you have. Next, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and mix together. Today we're going to add frozen corn. Get your dry ingredients and pour 1 cup of frozen corn in. Then stir to coat the corn. Now that the corn is coated, add dry ingredients into wet ingredients. Mix together. Make sure not to overmix because you want it light and fluffy. Now that it's all mixed together, pour into your greased pan. Bake for 30 minutes until the top's all golden.